Hello again guys, right, in the vise we have a nice Union Oval Scandinavian type lock. This one was sent to me by Boldiloks. It's a challenge lock he's modified for me. I have opened this a couple of times by setting the last pin by going in the tradesman's entrance. I have set it from the front once. I'll have a go now doing it from setting the last pin from the front, but you know, possibly might not get it. We'll see. Can't actually remember which way I picked it, that way or that way. We'll try it this way anyway for a minute. The camera's in a nice position. Let's find a pick. Let's go for a cheapy gozo, crappy handled pick. Okay, so let's have a feel. I did pick this the other day, but I can't remember now. 1, 2, 3. Can't actually remember how I picked it. Right, that's 3 again. Five. No, nothing on 1 yet. 2. Little click on 2. False set. I think that was on 3. I think I've got pin 1 yet. I'm not sure, but I think now I just need the back pin. I don't think I've actually set pin 1 yet, unless I just touched in and set it right. Now let's try a deep hook down the back to see if we can, if it is the back pin. If I can get it, which is really a pain in the bloody arse. Yeah, we had a bit of movement then. Bit more movement. There we go, got him. Yes, that real back pin, really deep back pin, which is a pain in the arse. Right, shall we open this one? I guess we should, seeing it says a challenge lock. Shouldn't take too long to open it, so hopefully this my pinning tray is got a GG on it, so I can't, a GG on it in bits, so I can't actually use my pinning tray, so we're just gonna put it on this table mat. Okay, this tweezers, pliers, try and get this off. I have no key for this, so I've got to be very careful I don't lock it back up. That's quite an easy bender. Okay, right. Let's find a follower, hopefully. We'll just go in nice and easy. Get a follower. Hopefully this will go smoothly. Hope that fits. Yes, that seems to fit. Looks like I've got one of the pins caught already. Yeah, it looks like I've caught one of the pins in the channel at the back. So that is not going to work. I'll have to get the pinning shoe out. Just turn it all the way around. Stick my pinning shoe in. It wasn't going to work without the pinning shoe because of the pins. Get in, you bugger. It's that back pin. There we go, got it. Okay, right, now this should come out easy now. Okay, here we go. Okay, pinning shoe's coming out with it. Hang on. To be a bit gentle. Okay, here we go. Got that out. Take the pinning shoe out. Okay, so the core. Counter milling on, that's a high pin. Counter milling on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Doesn't look like there's any threading, so let's get these pins out. Pin 1 is standard. Buggering up my pinning tray here. Pin 1 standard, pin 2 standard. Pin 3 looks like it's got a small serration on it. Yeah, very tiny serration. Maybe it's just rounded off at the top a little bit. Looks like it's homemade, that one. 4 is bloody huge. There he is, trying to bugger me up. And the back one's going to be very small, I imagine. Yes. That's for the evil bitting. Small pin at the back. This is quite hard to set. Alright, let's have a look at the drivers. Let's find some tweezers. Try and do this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, pin 1 is a spool. Not sure if that's homemade or not. Pin 2, quite a big spring in that one. I'm going to take the spring out because he looks quite big and he's in the way. Pin 2 is a serrated. Yeah, it's serrated at the top. I'll take pictures of these because and he has a different spring in it. Oh, where did he go? Okay, I don't know where that spring went, but it was definitely different. It went flying somewhere. It's on my table, but I can't see it. Where the hell did that go? Ah, there it is. Okay, yes, different spring. Smaller spring. I said my pinning tray's full up with crap, but it's not as easy to keep the things in place. That is a large standard, and for some reason that feels that is magnetic. Look at that. Watch this pin. Watch my tweezers. I'm not push squeezing them. Magnetic. A magnetic third pin. See, I'm not holding it together. It is holding itself. Magnetic. But I didn't feel that with my pick. Yes, definitely trickery, pokery going on. Magnetic pin number 3. I guess he's going to stick to all the others. Yes, that's going to be a bugger to let you see it because it's going to keep sticking to everything. Okay, so pin 3 is magnetic. I'll stand it up like that because it's going to bugger up all the others. Right, let's have a look. I can't see the spring, so the spring is very small. Pin 4 is a T-pin. A T-pin in 4. Let's get that magnetic one out of the way a minute because it's buggering everything up. Yeah. What the hell? It's very magnetic, that. Oh, I thought it would bugger everything up, look. It's so magnetic. Oh, Simon, what are you doing to us? Right, pin 5, let's have a look. He come flying out. He is also another T-pin. And a different spring again. Right, that one there. That one was number 2. Number 3 is the magnetic one. This is pin 5. Spring 4 is in the Bible. Can't get him out. There's 4. 4 is a lot smaller. And number 3. Hang on, we got another magnetic pin here. Now where the hell has that come from? Okay, 2 magnetic pins in chamber 3. And I don't think there's a spring in chamber 3. Okay, so we actually have 2 magnetic pins in chamber 3, a spool in 1, serrated in 2, a T-pin in 4, T-pin in 5. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to put these springs at the bottom because they're just getting sucked in by the other one. Oh, I'll sort this out and take some pictures, guys, alright? Quite a long video, but because the magnets was buggering me up. Alright guys, thanks. Thank you Boldiloks for that, it's very interesting. And I'm pretty sure there is no spring in chamber 3. No. All there is magnets. Okay, cheers guys, see you later. I'll take some photos of these if I can get them to play nice without sticking together. Alright, cheers, bye.